During research, massive amounts of data pile up, spreadsheets, reports, numbers everywhere. Feeling buried under it all? Struggling to spot patterns, trends, and insights? Don't worry, AI is here to make sense of it for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Idea X Hub. I'm Sukhdev Singh, and today, we are into the 4th episode of our series on how AI can revolutionize analysis of data collected during our research process. We have already covered research planning in the first episode. In the second episode, we explored a step-by-step guide for literature review using cutting-edge AI tools. In the third episode, we explored AI tools for data collection. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of AI tools for research data analysis. From automating tedious tasks to gaining actionable insights, we'll show you how AI can revolutionize your research workflow. If you are a researcher, you know that data analysis can be time-consuming and complex. But what if I told you that AI can simplify your workflow, automate tedious tasks, and even uncover insights you might have missed? In this video, we are diving into the world of AI tools for research data analysis and showing you how to use them effectively. Research involves massive amounts of data, but traditional methods can be slow and error-prone. That's where AI steps in. Artificial intelligence automates data processing, detects patterns, and provides insights at a speed that would be impossible manually. Whether you are dealing with numerical data, qualitative research, or large datasets, AI can transform how you analyze information. Before diving into analysis, data must be cleaned and prepped. AI-powered tools like Trifacta, OpenRefine, and DataRobot handle tasks such as missing values, data normalization, and feature scaling. Trifacta, now Alteryx Designer Cloud, is a data wrangling platform used to prepare and clean data for analytics and machine learning, enabling users to explore, transform, and enrich raw data into a format suitable for analysis. OpenRefine is a powerful free, open-source tool for working with messy data, cleaning it, transforming it from one format into another, and extending it with web services and external data. DataRobot automates machine learning and data preparation, which is ideal for non-experts. It offers an AI platform that streamlines data analysis for researchers, automating tasks and uncovering deeper insights. Data visualization is essential for understanding complex information. AI-powered tools make this easier and more insightful. Tableau, Power BI, and D3.js are examples of AI tools for data visualization. Tableau is a leading visual analytics platform that transforms how people and organizations use data to solve problems. By integrating artificial intelligence, AI, Tableau enhances data analysis by detecting patterns and making data more accessible. This empowers users to gain deeper insights and make informed decisions efficiently. Microsoft's Power BI is a comprehensive business analytics tool that transforms raw data into meaningful insights through interactive visualizations and reports. It offers a range of features that enhance data analysis and decision-making. D3.js, that stands for Data-Driven Documents, is a JavaScript library that enables developers to create custom, interactive data visualizations for the web. Unlike standard charting libraries that offer pre-built charts, D3 provides building blocks to construct bespoke visual representations of data, offering unparalleled flexibility. Want to forecast future trends? AI-powered predictive modeling tools can help. Before diving into AI tools for predictive modeling, it's essential to understand their role in transforming raw data into actionable insights. Whether it's structured data analysis with scikit-learn, deep learning model development with TensorFlow and PyTorch, or automated machine learning with Google Cloud AutoML, these tools help streamline the process of building accurate predictive models. Now, let's explore each tool in detail. Scikit-learn is an open-source machine learning predictive modeling tool for structured data. It is a machine learning library for Python, built on NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. It offers a range of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms, including classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. The library also provides tools for data preprocessing, model selection, and evaluation, making it accessible for both research and production applications. TensorFlow and PyTorch are two leading open-source machine learning frameworks for developing and deploying deep learning models. TensorFlow is an open-source platform developed by Google for building and deploying machine learning (ML) models. It offers a comprehensive ecosystem of tools and libraries, enabling developers and researchers to design, train, and deploy ML applications across various environments. PyTorch is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Meta's AI research team. It provides a flexible platform for building and deploying machine learning models, particularly in areas like computer vision and natural language processing. While they share the common goal of simplifying neural network development, they differ in their approach, strengths, and typical use cases. Google Cloud AutoML is a suite of machine learning products designed to enable developers with limited expertise to train high-quality models tailored to their business needs. By leveraging Google's advanced transfer learning and neural architecture search technology, AutoML automates the process of applying machine learning, simplifying the creation and deployment of custom models. AI isn't just for numbers. It can analyze text, find themes, and even detect sentiment. Let's examine some of the best AI tools for qualitative data analysis, such as NVivo, Atlas.t, and Deduce. There are also some good free tools like Target, RQDA, and Orange. NVivo, developed by Lumivero, is a leading qualitative data analysis software. It is designed to help researchers organize, analyze, and find insights in unstructured or qualitative data. It can handle data such as interviews, open-ended survey responses, articles, social media, and web content. Atlas.t is an advanced AI-assisted text mining and sentiment analysis tool. It supports coding automation and visualization. Works with multiple data types like text, audio, video, and images. Deduce is a web-based application. It is designed for qualitative and mixed methods research. Deduce enables researchers to analyze various data forms, including text, photos, audio, videos, and spreadsheet data. It also has collaborative features for teams. Target is a free and open-source qualitative data analysis tool. It is designed to assist researchers in organizing, coding, and analyzing textual data. Target offers a user-friendly platform for handling unstructured data such as interviews, open-ended survey responses, and other text-based research materials. RQDA is an open-source R package designed for computer-assisted qualitative data analysis. It facilitates the organization and analysis of textual data within the R statistical environment. Orange is an open-source data visualization and analysis tool that combines machine learning and data mining functionalities within a user-friendly visual programming interface. Developed in Python, Orange is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux platforms. Handling massive research datasets. AI is your best friend. AI tools for massive data analysis are designed to handle, process, and derive insights from large datasets efficiently. These tools typically leverage machine learning, ML, deep learning, and statistical techniques to analyze structured and unstructured data. RapidMiner and Apache Spark are the best AI tools for handling massive data. RapidMiner is an AI-driven text and data mining platform. It is a comprehensive data analytics and artificial intelligence (AI) platform designed to unlock insights from data and automate complex processes. By connecting disparate data sources, it enables users to uncover hidden patterns and accelerate innovation through advanced analytics and AI-driven automation. Apache Spark is an open-source, unified analytics engine designed for large-scale data processing. It supports multiple programming languages, including Python, SQL, Scala, Java, and R, enabling users to perform data engineering, data science, and machine learning tasks on single-node machines or clusters. It has AI capabilities with a built-in machine learning library for predictive modeling. Before I conclude the video, let me remind you that although AI is powerful, it is not perfect. Let's weigh the benefits and challenges. Pros: saves time and reduces effort. Enhances pattern recognition and insights. Reduces human bias in analysis. Cons. Requires clean and structured data. AI models can introduce bias if not trained properly. Some tools have a steep learning curve. Now let's conclude. AI is transforming research, making data analysis more manageable and more powerful than ever. We just explored powerful AI tools that make data analysis faster and easier. Let us meet in our next episode on interpreting results with AI. Thanks for watching. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-powered research tips. See you in the next video. Take care.